Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to run WP-CLI as another user. To get to this article, you need to go to wordpress.com/YT4659. Just scroll down. Actually, yeah, if you run it as root, you're gonna get this error message. Of course, you can pass this flag, but I totally not recommend you doing this. It's dangerous. If the plugin or theme is badly written, it can really destroy the server. And by the way, that error message gives you a suggestion how to run the command as a given user. You can use this one, or if you want, you can use this one. I think it's more. And let's do it. I'm already logged in as root, so I can just copy and paste this. I need to use my user right here. I'm going to do core download, and I don't need the other parameters. And simple as that. When I do ls-la, and you see that the files have been created with this user. Thanks for watching, and have an awesome day. Make sure you subscribe.